super luxury deluxe. That's what I'm calling this. I'm making some coleslaw today, nothing but. Added a few different bits and pieces in there. It really is super delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what I've got here is 3 cups of grated carrot, 3 cups of shredded white cabbage, 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of green onions, and a couple of tablespoons of chopped parsley. Okay, so you can see that I've just mixed all of those veg up. We're going to add a few other little bits now. So first I'm going to get some black pepper in there. I'm not adding salt because we're going to use some mayo and some other bits, and I find that salty enough. You can if you want. I've got a cup here of Parmesan cheese. I've got some pickle here, or gherkins, or wallies we call them in London. That's the brand I'm using. I quite like those, they're pretty good. Then I've got 1 cup of ranch sauce, or as you Americans call it, ranch. I like the combo of this with regular mayo, and 2 cups of regular mayo. I think the combo together works really well when you're making a coleslaw. Right, what I'm going to do is give that a little mix up. Back in a moment. And there you go. That is an absolute beauty. That's a luxury deluxe super duper coleslaw if you ask me. I love that. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.